Hello, welcome to solve this mathematical problem. From this exponential equation, we are asked to find the value of x which satisfies this equation. So let's go to the solution. Now we have 16 and 8, so we can express these numbers as products of 2. So 2 power of 4 power of x times 2 power of 3 power of x is equal to 42. Now we know that from rule of exponent a the power of m power of n is equal to a power of m times n. So applying this principle, this will be 2 power of 4x times 2 power of 3x, which is equal to 42. Again, from rule of exponent, a power of n times a power of m is equal to a power of m plus n. So applying this one, so this expression can be written as 2, which is a base power of 4x plus 3x is equal to 42. Now we can add this one and it will be 2 power of 7x, which is equal to 42. Now we can use logarithm to find the value of x from this equation. So let's introduce logarithm on both sides. So log of 2 power of 7x, which is equal to log of 42. So from rule of logarithm, log of a power of b is equal to b times log of a. So for this expression, for this term, we can apply this one. So it will be 7x log of 2, which is equal to log of 42. Now let's divide both sides by log 2, log 2, log 2. So it is cancelled out, so the remaining will be 7x, which is equal to log of 42 divided by log of 2. Now we can factorize 42, so 7x, which is equal to this 42 can be product of 2 times 21. So it will be log of 21 times 2 divided by log of 2. So now we have log 7x, which is equal to log of 2 times 21 divided by log of 2. And we know that log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So let's apply this rule in the numerator. So it will be 7x, which is equal to log of 2 plus log of 21 divided by log of 2. And also this log of 21 can be expressed in similar manner. So 21, so 7x, which is equal to log of 2 plus log of 3 times 7 divided by log of 2. So this log of 3 times 7 will be, according to this rule, 7x, which is equal to log of 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 7 divided by log of 2. So this will be written as 7x, which is equal to, let's separate, log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2 plus log 7 divided by log 2. Now this log 2 divided by log 2 is equal to 1 plus log of 3 divided by log of 2 plus log of 7 divided by log of 2. So we know that log of A divided by log of B is equal to log of A to the base B. So let's apply this rule for this one and this one. And finally 7x, which is equal to 1 plus log of 3 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2. So let's divide both sides by 7, by 7, by 7. So finally we have value of x, which is equal to 1 plus log of 3 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2 divided by 7. This is the final value of x that satisfies our equation, but we have to check whether it satisfies the equation or not. So let's check it. So we have 16 power of x times 8 power of x, which is equal to 42. So this 40, we have x value, which is equal to 1 plus log of 3 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2 divided by 7. So let's substitute x into this equation. So 16 power of x, which is 1 plus log of 3 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2 divided by 7 times a power of 1 plus log of 3 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2 divided by 7, which is equal to 42. So this 16 can be written as 2 power of 4 into 1 plus log of 3 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2 times 2 power of 3 into 1 plus log of 3 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2, which is equal to 42. So we know that a power of n times a power of m, which is equal to a power of n plus m. So this will be 2 power of 4 plus 3, that's 7, into 1 plus log of 3 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2 divided by 7, which is equal to 42. So this 7 is cancelled, so the remaining will be 2 to the power of 1 plus log of 3 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2, which is equal to 42. So this will be 2 power of 1 times 2 power of log of 3 to the base 2 times 2 power of log of 7 to the base 2, which is equal to 42. And we know that for n power of log of b to the base a is always b. So let's apply this into this term and this term. So it will be to the power of 1 times, we have 3 here, so to the power of log of, according to this rule, it will be 3 times, according to this will be 2, that's 7, which is equal to 42. So 2 times 3, 6 times 7, which is equal to 42, and 42 is equal to 42. So our equation, our x value satisfies the equation. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.